Let's create a more sophisticated web scraper that not only extracts links but also scrapes textual data from an HTML page. This could be useful in numerous situations such as gathering data about a certain topic, finding email addresses or other specific information. We will be using requests to make the HTTP request and beautiful soup to parse the HTML content. Please note that you should only scrape data from websites that permit it, and always respect the terms of service and privacy policy of the website you are scraping. In this video, we're taking web scraping to the next level. We're building a Python web scraper that can extract links and textual content from a web page. Our function, web_scraper, takes a URL as input. Using the requests library, it sends a GET request to this URL. If the request is successful and returns a status code of 200, the scraper processes the web page. We use beautiful soup to parse the HTML response. The parsed HTML is a navigable tree structure which we can search to extract data. First, we extract all the hyperlinks from the page by finding all the tags and getting their ref attributes, which is the URL of the link. Next, we extract textual content from the page. In this example, we're pulling all the text inside paragraph tags, denoted by P in HTML. You could modify this to extract text from other types of tags as per your requirement. With this advanced web scraper, you can gather a wealth of information from any web page, from hyperlinks to textual data. This can be immensely useful for data analysis, information gathering, or cybersecurity purposes. Remember, ethical considerations are paramount when web scraping. Always ensure that you have permission to scrape and use the data, and respect all terms of service and privacy policies. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Until then, happy coding!